Hi everyone, I'm Rosie, and today I wanted to give you a little bit of an update on Vox Yoga and what's to come on my YouTube channel. So this video is coming out at Saturday, 10 AM UK time, so you'd normally be expecting quick singing tips. Now, quick singing tips has gone down so well, but I've got over 35 videos already, and I think it's time for something new. So my Tuesday videos, my Tuesday practices are going to continue. These come out every week, 5 PM UK time. These you've got yoga for singers playlists, things connecting the body, breath, mind and voice. So you'll also find voice care, vocal health, breathing practices, maybe things to find meditation and focus, all things that are going to help singers. You can also continue to look back at old quick singing tips videos. However, from next Saturday, I'm going to be launching a new series, which again will be kind of quick tips, but these will be stretches for singers. So each video will have a stretch each week. I'll guide you through how to approach these, lots of different variations, and then why they are useful for singers, what they're doing in the body, the benefits physically or maybe vocally as well. So these will be great to add to your warm-up if you're a singer, putting them into your practice routine. Maybe you're a teacher, you want to be able to use these stretches with your students, but give them a little bit more information about why they're beneficial as well. So this series will be starting next Saturday, 10 AM UK time, so make sure that you are subscribed and you've switched your notifications on. Thank you so much for your continued support with Vox Yoga, and I hope to practice with you soon.